Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and if you are moving from Windows 7 to Windows 10, one of the things that you might want to know is that the startup items where you can disable all the software that starts with your PC to make it faster at boot up and to make it just generally faster has actually changed. In Windows 7, all you had to do was type MSconfig and execute that system configuration app. And for most systems, for most of the information, it still works. But the startup item is now gone. It's in the task manager. So if you want to actually disable startup items, if you want to see what actually is booting up with your PC when you started, you have to go to the task manager now. So right click on the taskbar on the bottom of your screen and go into Task Manager. Here you will see that the Task Manager at the top in the different options you have Startup, and here is where you see the startup item that are with your PC. In general, you want to have the least amount of these running because that slows down the boot up process, and it also, if there's too many things running in the background, can slow down your overall PC performance. So you want to disable a lot of these things, but be careful not to disable important stuff. There are things that sometimes need to run. So if you're not sure, what you could do is just disable them one by one and reboot your PC and see how it goes, and if everything seems to be all right. And if something's wrong, well, at least by disabling only one item at a time, you know what to enable again if something just doesn't work. So that's where it is now. Once again, if you are on Windows 7 and have moved to Windows 10 to disable startup items, simply right click at the bottom of the screen on your taskbar, go into Task Manager, and here you can go into Startup. This is where it is now. This is the change that you might want to know between Windows 7 and Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.